So when you're looking for a photographer, I think you need to have an idea of what you need and then do some research, mainly via the websites and their online presence, looking at what they currently do. Because there's little point in hiring a property photographer for your headshot shoot, because they're great at doing architectural work. But this happens. You'll see it on LinkedIn where, oh, I'm looking for someone to do headshots for my team, and then up pops architectural photographer Dave. It's not him; it's his friends recommending him. You know, oh yeah, Dave's great at photography. Oh yeah, he does watches. You're like, oh wow, yeah, because watch photography is a brilliant niche. So,
or for when you look like a gable end.
yes, well, or a house side, as my dad used to say. I never knew what that meant really. Is it still going? Yeah, so. I mean, the portfolio. Look at it and make sure it's current. You know, if they've got a blog, if it's not been updated for a year, I mean, maybe a couple of months is fine. You know, we're all busy. We can't update it all the time. Instagram, I don't really use Instagram much, but I think the website's where you curate your stuff for your audience if you're a professional photographer.